We come to the next problem. The next problem says a random sample of 8 mango trees reveals the following number of fruits they yield. So what is the variable here today? So the variable here we find in this particular case, the variable is number of fruits. So x is actually the variable is the number of fruits. Now first we have to find out the mean, the median, the mode and the range. But before we go to find the mean, median, mode, the central tendency, we will first find out what is the range of it, right? So the dispersion of that range. What is the maximum value here? The maximum value is 90. And what is the minimum value here? Minimum value is 70. Right? So maximum value here is 90 and the minimum value is 70. So we have the range to be equal to 20. 20 fruits is actually the range of the particular variable. Maximum value minus the minimum value, right? Now, what is the mean? Mean we give by summation xi, that is we are going to sum up all the values, the observations like 80 plus 70 plus 80 plus 90 plus 82 plus 82 plus 90 plus 82 divided by the total number of observations which we find is 8. So the sum here we find it's 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, so 6 on this side, and here 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 8 is 25, 25 plus 8 is 33, 33 plus 9 is 42, 50 and 57, 65, it's 656 divided by 8. So that is coming to 8 8s are 64. So it's 82. So we have the mean value to be equal to 82. The mean of this particular distribution is 82. So we have the mean. Mean is normally given by x bar is equal to 82 for this case. Now we come to the next part, that is median. Now what do we have to do in while we are trying to find out the median? We have to arrange it in an ascending order. So what is the minimum value? 70. Then we have 2 80s, right? We have 382. So that, and we have 2 90s. Once again, it's an even number of observations. So we go by n by 2th observation, that is the 4th observation, and n by 2 plus 1th observation, that is the 5th observation. And so the average of the two, both the observations are equal, so the average of the two will definitely yield the number itself. So median here for us is equal to 82. Right. Now the next is the mode. The mode definitely is the number which occurs the maximum number of times, right? So here if we once again write out 70, 80, 80, 82, 82, 82, 90 and 90, we find 82 occurring once, twice and thrice, and which is the highest number of occurrences of any particular number. So here we have a single mode, so it's a unimodal distribution which we have. So mode is equal to 82. Now this is a fantastic distribution where we have the mean is equal to the median is equal to the mode, and it will be a symmetrical, it will be a perfectly symmetrical distribution where the mean is equal to the median is equal to the mode, and the range of this particular distribution is equal to 20, right? So that actually brings us to the end of the question number 2.